it's you guys! Let me guess. You're here to check on Saki?
Yes, that's right.
Well, I'm going to be busy in my room planning a new show. So don't mind me and go right upstairs to Saki's room. Oh! I just had an idea for a show that's certain to be a huge success. I am a genius after all. And once it's ready to be performed in front of an audience, you're welcome to come and see it, of course.
We'll be sure to.
Saki's brother is the same as always.
Shiha, let's keep that to ourselves.
I also have to thank you for walking Saki home yesterday. You're such great friends to her. Thank you for always being there for her.
You're such a caring brother. Saki! We're all here to visit you! Saki? Maybe she has nodded off? Saki, it's us! Oh, she's not here?
Maybe she's in the bathroom.
Could be. Let's wait for her here. I need the bathroom too, so I'll be right back.
I always forget she has this cool ceiling with stars.
They're fluorescent, so it must look even prettier when it's dark. This really takes me back. Remember, we were all helping her stick the stars to the ceiling. Tsukasa lent us a hand too.
Saki's so short, but she insisted on sticking some stars herself. It only took longer because of that.
Well, this is strange. Saki wasn't in the bathroom. Huh? Tsukasa was sure she was upstairs.
But she's obviously not. Could she have gone out? Don't tell me she went to the observatory on her own.
But in this weather, she wouldn't be able to see the sky anyway. She really wanted to see the stars. I think I know where she might have gone. Honami, Shiho, we're going to find her.
My stay at the hospital wasn't easy, but there were some good moments too. The doctors and the other patients were very kind to me and taught me tricks like juggling. But sometimes I felt really lonely. I'd look at the stars to feel better.
Because it reminded you of the times when you stargazed with your friends?
Yeah.
Where did Luca go? I've been looking for her everywhere. Oh, there she is. Who's she talking to? Saki? Saki looks sad today. Maybe Luca's trying to cheer her up. I should leave the two of them to talk.
Thinking that I would stargaze with them once I got better helped me bear the really unpleasant medical exams. But sometimes, this anxiety would suddenly overwhelm me. How to describe it? It was a fear of running out of time.
What do you mean?
I felt I was losing the time I had to be with my friends.
Oh.
I kept thinking we should be having classes together instead of this. Or I should be on that school field trip with them, having fun and chatting late into the night. I should have been with them, but the clock was ticking away while I was in the hospital, unable to do anything. I was so aware of losing the time I should be making the most of. Sometimes, I'd feel as if the time I spent with my friends before the hospital was also disappearing. That made me really scared. That's why I'm doing all this, so I can make sure every moment matters. This only letting me to push myself past my limits, getting everyone worried. I acted really stupid.
You couldn't help being anxious.
Huh?
You wanted to get back what you lost. That's perfectly normal. You felt that all those things couldn't wait. But you don't need to be in such a hurry to make up for the lost time. It's okay to do things slowly.
You think so?
I can feel it. I think your friends would agree too. Wouldn't you, Ichika, Honami, Chiho?
Huh? Huh? When did you get here?
We went to visit you, but you weren't home. Ichika guessed that you'd come over here. What are you doing out of bed, you dummy?
I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry.
Huh?
For being harsh towards you. I had no idea why you were acting that way. You getting sick and being cooped up in the bed the other time was also my fault, since I pressed you to do more than you could handle. And I did this again, despite Luca's warning that you seemed out of sorts. It makes me so angry at myself for not being a good friend who noticed when something's not right. I'd said some really mean things to you. I'm really sorry.
You have nothing to apologize for. It's all my own fault.
No, Saki, it's not. I also blame myself for not having realized what was going on with you. It wasn't that hard to figure out, if I'd only given it some thought. I'm sorry.
Oh, Hona.
Saki, you can slow down. We're going to spend lots of time together. It's like Luca said, there's no need to hurry. We're not going anywhere, you know. We're always going to be your friends.
You're making me tear up. I'll try to be less anxious. Thank you, everyone.